Hi fellow decks, so today I'm going to introduce to you one important component when doing designs. This is guidelines. So if you are working on a startup company or you're working with an existing company and they will let you design the layouts, you notice that the designer always have fixed margins. Here, as you can see, they have a margin on each screen. So the left has margin, the top, the right, and on the bottom. So as you can see on other screens also. Okay. So guidelines are very important when doing designs. So guidelines is just the same with other components on the UI like buttons, but this is only visible when doing design. So let me show you. Let's go to the main layout, click, then let's minimize this and let's go to design and blueprint. Okay, right click and add guidelines here. So let's try the vertical guideline. So as you can see, it creates a guidelines, creates a code. By default, it will add on the left side. So by the way, there are two types of guidelines. The first one is the start offset. As you can see, the default, it sticks on the left. And the second guidelines is the one that will stick on the end. As you can see, it will stick on the end. So the same goes with the horizontal. Okay, as you can see, we have a horizontal guideline that sticks to the bottom because we use end. But if we change this to begin, it will stick to the top. Right. So let's change it back to vertical. So guidelines is based on percentage also. So you can do that by changing this to percentage. So you can type 1 as 100, 0.5 as the center. So you can change these values from 0.01 up to 100, which is 1. So if you want to make it center, then just pick 0.5 or 0.5. Okay. So by using guidelines, so instead of anchoring using the parent constraint, you can just do it and drag this one and constraint to the guidelines. As you can see, now it constrains to guidelines. Okay, so let's add also a margin for the left. Okay, we have a left margin, and let's try to add other components. So you can just drag the left anchor point to that guidelines. Okay, and let's add top guidelines. See, let's add, right click, add helper, vertical guidelines. I mean horizontal guideline. Okay, you can drag this one. So now you have left, top, and center guidelines. Now, if you want to add guidelines on the right side, you can add another one. Is this the new one? So let's name this. You can leave it as is, but I will name this as right. And then I will change this to end. So now I have the right margin. Then stick to the right. So constraint the top. So now I have positioned the elements based on the guidelines. So let's add one more at the bottom. So you can also do it by code. Guidelines, wrap, 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 and orientation is horizontal, and then guide to end 20 dp. Okay, now we have a bottom guidelines. So let's add another element to bottom. Okay, now I can so now you can stick the bottom anchor point to the bottom margin and stick the right to the right margin, left anchor point to the left margin. Now you have understand the purpose of guidelines. As you can see, you have a good looking layout that respects guidelines. So again, guidelines will not be visible during runtime. It's only for designing purposes. So thank you so much, fellow headaches, for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that bell button so you will be updated.